Hey, hey squad, hey, hey squad, happy Monday. Let's go over our PDN for Monday's math work. Uh, hey squad, happy Monday. Let's go over our PDN for today's math work, shall we? First question asks 504 divided by 7. So I know that my divisor is 7. So I'm going to write a 7 on the outside of my quotient. And my dividend, or the number being divided, is 504. Next thing I'm going to write, being a smart mathematician, is D for divide, M for multiply, S for subtract, and B for bring it on down and bring it on back. The other thing I'm going to write, because I'm like not that great at sevens, like in my head, so I'm actually going to write out on the side right here my sevens so I can think about them. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 54. Wait, it's 54. No, 56. 56. I was going to say, because that's not 63. Hold on. 56. Told you I wasn't that good at my sevens. 63, 70. Now I have all these written down. That's going to really help me with my multiplication and division. First thing I'm going to ask myself is how many times does 7 go into 5? Because 7 is bigger than 5, 7 goes into 5 0 times, right? 7, oh, it's already bigger, so I need to skirt, go back 1, get 0. 7 times 0 is 0. I'll put the 0 underneath my 5 and then check next to multiply. 5 minus 0 is 5. And then we bring it on down and bring it on back. And now I have 50. So now I'm going to roll my 7s until I get to a number that lands exactly on 50, or it is bigger than 50. 7, 14. I'm looking at my numbers I've already done. 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 50. 56 is bigger, so I got to skirt and go back 1. And I see that 7 goes into 50 7 times. So I'm going to put a 7 up here and a check next to divide. 7 times 7, well, I have that right here, is 49. And now I'm going to subtract 49 minus 50. 0 minus 9, can't do that, need to decompose. So I'll take my 4 over and my 10 ones. 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. So 50 minus 49 is 1. And then I'm going to bring it on down and bring it on back. And now I have 14, which I see when I roll my 7, 7, 14, I land exactly on 14 after rolling my 7s 2 times. So 14 divided by 7 equals 2. 7 times 2 is 14. And now I'm going to subtract. 14 minus 14 is 0. And then I bring it on down and bring it on back, and I am done. The quotient of 504 divided by 7 is 72. Give yourself 2 pats on the back if you got that. And now let's do number 2, shall we? Number 2 asks us, what's the fraction of this picture below? The first thing I'm going to do is make sure that this fraction is divided into equal parts, which means every part is the same size. It looks like it's divided into equal parts. And now I'm going to find my denominator. My denominator is the total number of equal parts, both shaded and not shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 total parts, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them shaded. That's my numerator, or the number on top. So this fraction is 7/8, which I'll write in as 7-8. There's the goggles for you keeping score at home. Now let's move on to number 3, shall we? Same question, different fraction. I'm going to ask myself, are these divided into equal parts? The answer is yes. So now I'm going to find my denominator, or the total number of equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My denominator is 5. How many of these parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is my numerator. This fraction is 4/5. So I'll write in 4-5 right here. Now for the last question, the same type of question. Every part in this shape is divided into equal part. So I know it is a fraction. And now I'm going to count up my denominator. Well, I first see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal parts. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them are shaded. So this fraction is 6/7. Should shot on the notes.